Hello, my name is Paula Zambrano. Today I'm speaking about the orange economy. What is the orange economy? The orange economy is the economy related with the creative goods, audiovisual, craft, design, new media, visual and performing arts, creative service, advertising, architecture, culture, leisure, research and development. Also include the industry related with education and all related with the books. What is the origin of the orange economy? The orange economy has few years to speak about the orange economy. Our President Iván Duque and his partner in the university, Felipe Buitrago, they made researches related with the impact or the impact of this economy in the economy of around the world. They found a big opportunity to improve the economy of the country and increase and improve the countries. They realized that this economy never have been measured and never the country measured the cash and the money that this industry generate. This is a industry widely unknown, and it really is a recently exercise that measure this economy. Why orange? Because orange is the color is associated with the culture, creativity, and identity, and they found different relation with the cultures and the other application in the different countries. One of the other worries that they researched was the industry, the prison industry is factible to decrease because now we need to create another ways to improve the income of each country. They found a big opportunity. One of the examples for this industry is the Cirque du Soleil, the Google Art project, where you can find a lot of painting related or about the different artists. The other, for instance, here in Colombia, we can find the different festivals, for instance, the Carnaval de Barranquilla, the Festival de Negros y Blancos, the Festival de Iberoamericano de Teatro. To develop this industry, we need a lot of information of the stakeholders, the relation parts. We need the institution, the industry, also industry. We need the infrastructure because the infrastructure is few. We need the integration of each for each elements. You need the inclusion, you need the inspiration. My opinion about the economy in orange, the orange economy here in Colombia, for me is nice, but it's difficult to development because I think that only the artists or the entrepreneurs that can be agree with the government has the opportunities to develop. But if the entrepreneurs of the artists that has opinion different to the government, no can't to have the resource or the benefits of this economy the orange economy. One example, for instance, the last week in the festival de cine in Cartagena, one cineasta, Rubén Mendoza, spoke and gave his opinion about the orange economy on front of our vice president, and the government didn't like his opinion, and for that reason he was retired of the following festivals, and that is an example for it's difficult to develop here in Colombia. And the other is the inclusion, and include the different estratos sociales, and for me it's difficult. Thank you. Bye.